The spiral non-steep cut pattern is now available when you create operations using the area milling drive method. Using the spiral cut pattern when area milling can produce a better finish by cutting continuously, resulting in minimal stepovers. It can also reduce machining time by limiting engage retract motions between passes.